What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be working on a Yamaha. What is it? What is it? What is it called? It's a Yamaha YZX, YXZ, something like that. But yeah, it's a side by side. A friend told me if I could help him put on some parts. I brought Gole. Yeah, Gole. I brought Gole to help me out, make some money. Let's get started. Here we go. Alright, so this is what it looks like before. See, it's kind of dark right here. Let's do a little walk around. We got all the parts right here. We got mirrors, we got a front bumper, back bumper, we got two LED light bars, we have interior, we have a whole body kit, we have a windshield, and more mirrors. Let's see what it looks like. That's what it looks like before. Has this little stock bar right here. We're gonna be going installing this one. Roll the Gole. We got Gole here. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. All right, we got it off. Now it's time to install this.
Stop moving shit.
All right, so.
You want to put it in?
Oh, you want me to hold it? Alright, so it's pretty much just a bolt on.
Hold on.
What happened?
How do you want it, Caps? You want it closer to the...
Yeah, you want it closer?
As close as you can put it up.
Okay.
Like that.
So we're gonna push all the way forward. Let's like right before. Let's do it right before it hits the fender. Okay, I'll hold it. Alright, so we're tying these two bolts. It's literally just a bolt on. Slide in, put these on. Kind of see where you want it. Back, forward.
Move back.
Alright, so now it's installed. So what would you have to do to install it?
You just take out these two bolts from the side. Two here and then two here. Take them off and then put them back
Pretty
on.
much just put on the bumper and then like it's kind of like just a bolt on.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's hitting here and it'll come out once you tighten it, and then hitting here also. It's not gonna be perfect, but just tying one bolt, so that everything just goes in perfectly. Because if you tie one side more than the other side, it's gonna shift. So there it is. That thing's on. On to the next. So there's this plastic piece here. We took off these two bolts that go here. The back bumper have two bolts right here, which just goes on here, and then it pretty much transforms. We had to put some clamps here, and then it should be on. Here it is. For an example, we got the two bolts there. We got that right there, that right there. Huh?
The clamps.
Clamps.
Like this.
Let me see. How does it go? Let me see.
Like that.
Like that?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
That's weird.
Is that a line right there? Oh, no, stick. I'll do it. Hold it. ¿Ya, primo? Simón, primo! I know. Okay. Oh, hey, Caps, pause it real quick. Just pause it. Alright, we got it installed. Put those two bolts on. Let's see if we get a better look at. Right there. It's like a clamp. And then we took off this plastic piece to tighten that bolt. That bolt is kind of loose, so put these two bolts on. Pretty secure, and then put these back on, and now we got a back bumper. Alright, this is the windshield. Took off the wrap, put these bolts on here, put these clamps on, literally tighten it, loosen it, and pop it back in. Try to do it? I can't do it with one hand. Bam. And bam. So you can just take off the windshield, take it off. You put this rubber piece at the bottom. It's time to just satisfying. Alright, so we just cut the end. There's extra. Just put like a bottom molding. as you guys can see right there, just so it doesn't scratch the wrap. This is actually wrapped.
Not so it scratches the wrap, it's so it seals.
Well, yeah, it seals also. Mirrors are on. Put this on. There's a couple of these online, or when you buy this pack, it comes with like 4 of them for different size bars. But this is the best size fitting, and it comes with a little pad, just so you don't scratch the. See if you can focus, bruh. There you go. Has like a little pad so you don't scratch the bar, but then you just kind of adjust it where you want it. Time for the wide body. So we're gonna have to like see where it lines, and then we're gonna mark it with a pen. Mark there, drill some holes, and then all the way down. Let's get it.
I can see. On the body kit?
Yeah.
Alright, once we added all the fenders, put the bolts in, drill the hole already, put the back part, the bolt, the washer, and now it's just time to tighten all of them. And so let's see the results. They're finally on. Just needs to be cleaned up. Kind of dusty. It's alright. Look at that, finally on. Beautiful, beautiful work. These are on. These already. These were already on. Put this one on. Had a drill hole exactly like the sides. This thing's on. Same thing over here. Same thing over here. Oh, shoot, where are we falling? And this one. Huh?
There.
Tighten it up.
Oh, that's good.
It's more like a hook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's there on the rollover was the thing you guys covered.
Alrighty, we got the bumper, we got fenders, we got windshield, we got mirrors. We have interior work, some carbon wrapped. We also got rearview mirror. Let's take off this wrap. Sheesh. Fenders is back part. We added these lights also. Go like you turn them on.
The back bumper.
The back bumper too. Damn. Look at that. Back bumper, fenders, once again. Thank you for watching, everybody. That was the end of the video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go down, hit that subscribe button. Also leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. You could also leave a comment down below on what other videos you guys want to see. More bikes, more cars, putting parts on cars, racing. I mean, pretty much you name it. Pranks, let me know. I'll get to it. See you guys. Thank you.